Hello people and welcome to Ralsei Night Brotherhood, and today we're playing Mortal Kombat on the, what was it called? I think it was Jack specific, I don't know. But anyways, let me show you what it looks like here. Yep, that's the logo. It could be better. But anyways, let's just get right into it. I'm going with this man right here. He seems pretty legit. Alright, let's see who we're fighting first. Alright, we're fighting the Feet Fetchman. Johnny Cage. Got him. This game's too easy, man. I already know it. Okay, why did I just do that 2 times? I thought that would work, I don't know. Man, the controls suck now. What has this game become to? Alright, next up we got Mr. Kano. Or as I like to call gay, no, not being homophobic. Got him. God. Yeah, I didn't have time to do it. Now we're doing Liu Kang. Oh, now I got the name right. What the hell? Alright, I got him. Nope. I wonder why the finishing moves don't work. Well, I can do that. What the hell? I didn't do this. I'm not doing this. What happened? Now I gotta do the progress all over again. You know, I'll pick a different one. I'll pick the guy that I was just fighting. Alright, we got Blue Man, Sub-Zero. Or was he called Blue Freddy? I don't know. I don't remember this game very much. It's been a long time since I played it. What the f***? Alright, good news people, I got it working again. I just had to change the batteries, that's all. And now I'm losing to Mr. Top. Now we're fighting Feet Fetchman. What do you mean he won? I win in this next one. Nope. Wow. It appears I can't do anything. Now he's gonna sexualize it. Oh my god, what happened? What have I done? Now I got it working. What the hell is that thing? Get that away from me. No. Wait, I think I know what that thing is. That's Chase's girlfriend. She's beating me up, man. Wow. What do you mean? I was really far away from that. Nah. Oh my, you're almost dead. What do you mean you're strong? What do you mean I'm strong, you meant? That's for winning. Stop talking, you could have got flaws because of you. The boomer. I know that joke. I know what you think it's a dead meme, but still. What do you mean? Oh my. I think of a better joke. Chase's dad. Or, no wait. Mr. Top's Afterlife. Or maybe Blueface Afterlife, I don't know. Got it. What do you mean? Oh my, I can't do anything. What do you mean? What do you mean? Quick question to this dude. What do you mean? Alright. Now this time, oh, you can't be me, you cheater. Nah, What do you mean you block? Oh my god. Oh my. You keep winning. I'm not falling for you. No. Oh my god. Why? Why do you keep doing this? There. You fool. You thought that would work. Oh my. Oh my. Stop morphing into me. You. Ooh. You coward. Boom. What do you mean? You're almost dead. Okay, now you're dead. I won. Alright. Thank you all so much for watching. And now, if you'll excuse me, I will go to Sir Bob-omb's stream. Yay!